Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to sort a repeating group in Bumble. So for example, I have a repeating group right here that is displaying all the users that we have in our database. Let me go ahead and run this so you can see what it actually looks like. So here we have all the users from our database. Now to sort this, it's very easy. You just go ahead and click on the layer for that repeating group itself. And here under data source, I want you to click on it. And then here you'll see sort by. Click on this drop down and you can begin sorting it. Let's do, for example, created date. Okay, we'll sort it by created date, and then we'll go ahead and run this. We'll see a preview. So first one should be John Smith, and then followed by Jeremy Styles, Henry Gavins, and so on. So there we go, John Smith, Jeremy Styles, Henry Gavins, so on. Perfect. We'll do another sort. We'll sort this by name, and for descending, we'll go ahead and say no. So when you say no to descending, it actually becomes ascending. Okay, we'll run this one. So let's see what it comes up with. There we go. It starts with H, J, J, and O. And if we change this to yes, it'll actually become descending. Let me run this one more time. And now it should be the opposite. That one should be on top, this one at the bottom. And there you go. That is how to sort a repeating group in Bubble.